Welcome back students. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 2. What is the name of this chapter? The name is GUI Operating System and Introduction. Now, which are the topics we have to know in this chapter? In this chapter we will see first operating system, Windows 7, user interface and types of interface. Before discussing all this topic, let me give you the quick recap of last chapter because these are the topics which are related to the software only. So I hope you can remember the last chapter where we were discussing about software. Let me give you a quick recap. What is software? Software is a set of instructions, a set of commands given to the computer to do a particular work. Software is of two types, system software and application software. Operating system is an example of system software. There are many kinds of operating system. Windows, maybe Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 10, etc. Other than Windows, you can see Linux, what we are using in the smart boards, then Unix, Mac, etc. And application software is a software which allows you to do a specific type of work, a particular type of work. For example, if you want to do painting, you have to use drawing software like MS Paint or Touch Paint. If you want typing, you have to use either WordPad or Notepad or MS Word, etc. So this is called application software. So these are the recap of last chapter about software. Now let's start this chapter, chapter number 2. GUI operating system. Let's start with operating system first, then we will see Windows 7. So what is operating system? Operating system is a software which acts as an interface between user and computer. Again I repeat, operating system is a software which acts as an interface between user and computer. Now what is interface we will discuss just after this. So this is called operating system. It allows you to communicate with the computer. Operating system allows you to communicate with the computer. Why? Because we don't understand computer's language and computer can understand only computer language, that is binary language. So that is why we need operating system. Operating system only translates for each other. So operating system is compulsory if you want to use a computer. So again, operating system is a system software which acts as an interface between user and computer. Now, operating system only allowing us to communicate with the computer without knowing the computer language. So that is why operating system is the most important software for computer. Another thing, operating system also manages all the input and output operations as well as all the hardware and software. Operating system manages all the input output operations as well as all the hardware and software installed in the computer. Okay, this is operating system. Examples of operating system, you already know. Examples of operating systems are Windows, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows has many versions, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Earlier Windows, what we were using, that was Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, etc. So Windows is an example of operating system. So we are now in operating system. Now we will discuss about Windows 7. So Windows 7 now already you know, Windows 7 is an example of operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation is the world's leading software making company. Windows 7 was developed in 2009 October 22nd. Windows 7 was released in 22nd of October in the year of 2009. So this is Windows 7. It is an example of operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation, world's leading software making company. Windows 7 was released on 22nd of October 2009. Now we are moving to the second point, that is user interface. What is user interface? Now, interface means the commands or menus through which a user communicates with the computer. A commands or menus through which a user communicates with a computer is called interface. It means how are you giving your instructions to the computer? How are you giving your instructions, your commands to the computer to react? For example, you can give your commands through keyboard, you can give your commands through mouse, etc. So, interface means the commands or menus through which a user communicates or interact with the computer. That is called interface. There are two types of interface. The first one is GUI, stands for Graphical User Interface. The first type of interface what we are discussing, that is called GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. In Graphical User Interface, you can give your most of the commands by clicking on icons, buttons or menus. In Graphical User Interface, you can give your most of the commands by clicking on icons, buttons or menus. For this, you need a pointing device like mouse. That is the benefit of Graphical User Interface, where you can do your most of the work by clicking on icons, menus, buttons, etc. So it is a very user-friendly interface, graphical user interface. And operating system like Windows 7, Windows is a graphical user interface. In Windows 7 or Windows 8, whatever the Windows you are using, in all the Windows you can do your most of the work by clicking on icons, menus or buttons, etc. For this you need only one pointing device like mouse. Now second type of interface is command line interface. Second type of interface is command line interface. What is command line interface? In command line interface, you can give your all the commands in writing through keyboard. It is a text based interface where all the commands are given through keyboard in writing mode. For example, MS-DOS, disk operating system. It is an operating system which is based on CLI, command line interface, where all the commands are given through keyboard in writing. So these are the two types of interface. First one already we have discussed, GUI, graphical user interface, where you can give most of the commands by clicking on icons, buttons and menus by the help of mouse. In GUI, mouse also works and keyboard also works. But in command line interface, mouse does not work, where you can use only your keyboard because it is a text based interface. So these are the two types of interfaces already we have discussed: GUI, graphical user interface, and CLI, command line interface. Again, from the beginning, GUI operating system, what we are using nowadays, that is either Linux or Microsoft Windows 7, what we have in the book. Linux we are using in the smart class, where stylus is used in place of mouse, and in Windows 7 what we are using at home in many places, in our lab also, So Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, I hope all of you know. So Windows is an example of GUI, graphical user interface. So now you can answer about these questions like what is GUI? GUI is an interface. What is interface? The commands or menus through which a user interact with the computer is called interface. How many types of interface? There are two types of interface. One is GUI and another one is CLI. Full form of GUI is graphical user interface and full form of CLI is command line interface. What is operating system? Operating system is a system software which acts as an interface between user and hardware or between user and computer. So that's the three topics what we had now. So I hope you are understanding all these points: operating system, Windows 7, user interface, types of interface. Types of interface, there are two types of interfaces, that is GUI and CLI. User interface, what we have discussed just now. So that's all for this video. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.